An Indian old billionaire just declared war on Microsoft. For decades, Indian companies worshipped American tech giants. Microsoft dominated over offices, our laptops, our entire digital ecosystem. But 3 days ago, everything changed. Sridhar Vembu, the founder of Zoho, from small village in Tamil Nadu, just posted on X. We are the only company in the world that can take on Microsoft in the breadth and depth. Our products offer a vastly superior experience. Isn't just a talk. Here are the facts. Zoho now has the 55 plus products versus Microsoft's Office suite, used by 100 million plus users globally, built entirely in India, priced 60% cheaper, zero dependency on US tech infrastructure. And here is what hit different. A user responded, Zoho's B2B suite is robust enough to let companies fully exit the US SaaS ecosystem. Wembu didn't just agree, he doubled down. This is the same man who rejected Silicon Valley funding, built Zoho profitably for 28 years without going public, employs thousands in rural India, says technological safe reliance is our sovereignty, while Microsoft charges premium prices and controls our data. Their servers, Zoho gives you power, you ownership, privacy, and power. This is about whether we stay dependent on foreign tech that can be switched off anytime or build our own digital infrastructure. Every rupee you spend on Microsoft leaves India. Every rupee you spend on Zoho stays here, employs our engineers, builds our tech ecosystem. The British ruled us for 200 years because we didn't have the technological power. Today, the wars are fought with software, just not soldiers. Comment Zoho if you believe Indian tech can beat global giants, and if you want the alternatives to all Microsoft apps. I have made a list of apps that can replace the Microsoft app. So follow me for more stories and Indian innovation that world doesn't want you to know about. Jai Hind.